Okay, let's proceed with the test. Let's start with something easy. For example, con contact is a simple form. Mm, it is related to the contact section on the website. Um, the visitors can see at the following test. Z-Cellular is near to you, wherever you are, etc., and an image. So in the contact section option in the CMS, you will see the current test on the website. Z-Cellular is near to you, wherever you are, and whenever you need us, and a field to load a new image. So well, let's try to change some tests here. This is a test. For example, these two these these two changes, not so many changes. I will try to use bold letters. I could underline something and upload an image. So I could preview the changes that I made. You can see the text that I add um, and the underline words, and also the image. So, well, let's try something more. Well, this is a preview. You can see preview. But if you open the website on that page, you can see that the current image and text remains the same. So I need, in order to publish the changes that I made in the website, on the website, I need to save and publish. Save is complete. So I'm gonna close, well, I'm gonna update the contact. So now you can see in the web page the contact information with the image that I have used. So I wanna close the preview. Exactly the same, the preview, the, uh, the information we have in production. So I will close the preview. So let's try something more difficult. Now I'm gonna change the home page. The home page um, has three blocks of information: block 1, block 2, block 3. Every block with a text and an image. The second block, text and two images, background image and front image, and the third block, image and text. So let's try to change information. I'm going to change the color of the titles. If I try to do a preview, the system shows me an error because I need to complete the information in every block in order to see a preview. Let's try to load an image for the first block. Okay, second block. I will change the color also here. Choose this one. Maybe I want to choose white here. And the background image, we'll load this one, and I will load a front image. So still I can not do the preview because I need to complete the block 3. Block 3, I will change the color of the titles, and maybe let's do some changes here. This is a test. Only only this change. Maybe I will use bold letters, can underline something, or use italic, whatever you want. And upload an image. Now I can do a preview. It shows me the titles with the color that I have chosen. You see red, white, the background image, the front image, also this one, the information that I have chosen. This is a tense, 3 apart, but I don't like this image in this section, so I will change it. Block 3, I will use this one. So I could do a new preview and I can see the change. You see? So let's close this one. But still remains more or less the same than the, the original. So I need to add a new logo, change this color. I need to change also the background color of the second block. I need to change the button's color. So I will try to do that. First, I'm gonna save and publish. The system is uploading all the images to the server, so we need to wait a little. Okay, that's it. I will close the preview, and if I upload to charge the page, I can see the changes. So well, let's try to change the main color of the website. To do that, I visit general, in the general section, corporate image. With this process, I'm creating a dealer. So well, let's use um, a new domain. This new domain is gonna be used by the link to the home page. Of course, you need to apply for the new domain and configure the new domain in the server, but you can link it using the CMS to the website, the panel website. So I will change the logo. I have it Z-Cellular here and a version of Z-Cellular logo, but well, I should create would be better that I show you a self-refill logo, but well, to make it easy, I have this version of Z-Cellular logo, so I will use it. And the main color is gonna be orange. The contact email is the email address where you will receive messages sent from the users through the contact form. So the self-refill team will use its account to receive the contact messages, and notification email is the email address that will be used to send to the user messages related to registration, password, and PIN codes. I have two accounts. Well, one account. I will use the same here and here, and also need to provide the password, and with a preview or a test, it shows me that it's success. So well, we'll save and publish. If I save and publish, when I update the site, now I have my new logo, my new color, in all the options, in all the buttons, in all the website. So well, it's so easy to transform the Z-Cellular website in a new dealer website. This is the idea. Fine. Well, with this procedure, you can do changes in every page of the website. But let's try the user section. Let's test it. In the user section, you can see all the users that are that have been registered or have registered in the website. I have another account created, for example, this one. No permissions to access the CMS, this user. I will set to this user some permissions to access the CMS, but only to save and publish. This user is not gonna be is not gonna have access to the user sections because I don't want that this user maybe delete another admin users like me, or create some or see what are the other user admins. So I'm gonna set the save and publish permissions to Da Silva Novita, and well, to show you how it works, I will log out and I will try to log in using Da Silva Novita credentials. So okay, it was successful. The login was successful, and you can see all the sections of the website, but not the user section, because I set permissions to Da Silva Novita to save and publish contents, but not to set permissions to other users. So well, this is how the CMS works. It's very easy. With this one, with this CMS, you can edit Z-Cellular contents, but also you can create a new web page for a dealer in a very easy and intuitive way. So thank you very much.